Okay, good morning, students. In our last lecture, we have seen that the right type peddler who was requested to come to the house of the iron master by his daughter. And you know very well that the right type peddler has forbidden to the iron master to come to his house. But after half an hour, he sent his daughter and asked her to go and bring the man because there was uncertain light and he could not recognize perfectly to the man, and he thought that he was his old regimental friend. He thought that he was his old regimental friend. For this purpose he had sent his daughter and asked her to bring the man to his house. And the girl was also happy because on the that because next day there was Christmas Eve and they were not having any guest to celebrate it. Okay, so the girl was happy. The man was brought out. The man was asked. The man was requested by the lady to come with her to his house, and she was having the great power to make understand to anyone. Okay, but the iron master came to the dining table. The girl was busy on the dining table, and she was preparing everything for the old regimental comrade of her father. Sorry, of her father. Old regimental comrade of her father. Okay, and the girl who was busy on the dining table, she said to her father that, "Father, last night when I had seen to that man, there was nothing in him to show that once he was an educated man." The father said, "My dear daughter, when the man will perfectly groomed, when the man will be perfectly groomed, then you will see something different. You will see something different." Okay, and the father also said to his daughter that first of all we should see that he could get some flesh on his bones. Then after we will search some work for him, because it is not good for him to wander from one place to another place selling rat traps. Okay, and when the father said this, the man appeared. The man opened the gate. The man opened the door of the dining room and appeared. Okay, at this time he was perfectly groomed. He was shaved. His hairs were cut. Okay, and he was in the court of the iron master. He was in the court which was given by the iron master. He was in the court of the iron master. Okay, and he was having a starched shirt and pair of shoes. Okay, but the good time of the rat peddler was about to end. Okay, because at this time there was perfect light. Okay, the glow of the light was very clear. Okay, and it was daytime. So the iron master is not going to make any mistake to identify his old friend, and he rebuked him after seeing to the rat peddler in court and perfectly. He cried out on him and said that, "What is this? What is this?" The rat peddler said, "Sir, I have not pretended to show anything different but a poor vagabond, but a poor rat peddler, and it is you who have forced me to come with you. Okay, nothing harm is done. I will put on my rags and once again and I will leave your house." Okay, I will put on my rags and I will leave your house. But the iron master said that this is not the work of honesty. Okay, and I will not be surprised if sheriff comes and he will look into the matter. Okay, when the iron master said this, the rat peddler took one step forward and clenched his fist on the table and said that, "Mr. Iron Master, what do you think? If the sheriff comes, he will send me to jail. But what do you think, Mr. Iron Master? One day will come when you will be attracted by the worldly possession. Then you will also be trapped. Okay, the clothing, food, shelter, money, all these things are just like a bait. The bait, the cheese and the pork which you use to attract the rats, and when the rats are attracted, they attract. Just like that, one day will come when you will be attracted by all these things and you will be trapped. You will be trapped. Okay, and the Iron Master said that, oh no, I am not going to call the sheriff on Christmas evening, but get out from here as soon as possible. But get out from here as soon as possible. Okay, but the daughter asked her father that, father, he was on his way, we have forced him to come to our house, and we have promised him for a happy Christmas. Okay, father, let him stay for one day. Okay, and saying this, she reached near the man. The man was about to open the door, and she took her hand. She took the hand of the rat trap peddler and asked him to come to the dining table. The father said that, my dear daughter, what are you doing? I am unable to understand that. What are you doing? Okay, then what is going to happen? Let us try to find out. Okay, uh, let us try to find out. You do preach worse than a parson. Parson means the father of the church. Parson means clergyman. Okay, and worse, you know what is the worse? And the father said that you are giving religious message worse than the father of the church. Said the Iron Master, I only hope you would not have to regret this. Okay, and the Iron Master said that, I am thinking that you will regret for your work what you are doing. Okay, you will regret for your work what you are, lest you should have to regret for your doings. Okay, now, okay, and the young girl took the stranger by the hand and led him to the table. The young girl took the hand of the stranger and she led him to the table. Now sit down and eat. She said, for she could see that her father had given in. Okay, and the girl said, please sit down and take the food. And the girl saw that, the girl saw that her father had given up. Her father had quitted the idea to say any single word to his daughter. Okay, the man with the rat trap said not a word. Okay, the man with the rat trap means the rat trap peddler had not said a single word. He only sat down and helped himself to the food, and the rat trap peddler was sitting and feeding himself. Time after time, she looked at the young girl who had interceded for him, interceded to speak in favor of anyone. Okay, and time after time he was looking towards the young girl, because the young girl had spoken in his favor. Sorry, why had she done it? What could the crazy idea be? And he was thinking that what was the reason behind this. Okay, that she has spoken in my favor. What the crazy idea? What the mad idea is behind this? He was unable to understand. After that, Christmas Eve at Ramsjo passed just as always had. Means nothing unusual was happened on Christmas Eve at Ramsjo. The stranger did not cause any trouble because he did nothing but sleep. The stranger was not the cause of problem, not the cause of trouble for anyone, because he has done no work but remained sleeping. The whole forenoon he lay on the sofa in one of the guest rooms and slept at one stretch. Okay, and the whole afternoon the rat trap peddler, was lying on the sofa. Okay, and he was sleeping there in one stretch. At noon they woke him up. At noon they woke him up. So that he could have him share of the good Christmas fare. And at afternoon they woke the rat trap peddler so that he could get the share of the Christmas fare. But after that he slept. After getting the Christmas fare or good Christmas fare, the man went to sleep. It seemed as though for many years he had not been able to sleep as quietly, as safely as here at Ramsjo. Okay, and it seems, after seeing to the man, it seems that this man has not slept for a long time so safely and so quietly at Ramsjo. In the evening, when the Christmas tree was lighted, okay, when the Christmas tree was lit up in the evening or lighted in the evening, they woke up him again. Once again, the man was woke up, and he stood for a while in the drawing room, blinking as though the candlelight hurt him. Okay, and the man was standing for a short time in the drawing room because the light was piercing in his eyes. Chubna in Hindi, piercing in his eyes, and he was blinking, means opening and closing of the eyes. Okay, and 2 hours later he was aroused once more, and 2 hours later once again the man was aroused, and he then had to go down into the dining room and eat the Christmas fish and porridge. And he came to the dining room and he ate Christmas fish and porridge. As soon as they got up from the table, as soon as all of them got up from the table, he went around to each one and each one present and said thank you and good night. He reached near everyone and he thanked them, but when he came to the young girl, she gave him to understand that it was her intention that the suit which he wore was to be a Christmas present. Okay, and when the rat trap peddler reached near the girl, okay, the girl said that the suit which you are wearing is the Christmas present, Christmas gift from us. Okay, and he did not have to return it. You have no need to return this coat. And if he wanted to spend next Christmas in a place where he could rest in peace and be sure that no evil would harm him, he would be welcomed back again. And the girl also assured him that if next year you want to celebrate the Christmas Eve, okay, or spend the Christmas Eve in such a place, at such a place where you can feel comfort, where you can take rest, and where you are sure that you will get no harm, and you will be welcomed. The man with the rat trap did not answer anything to this. No answer was given by the rat trap peddler. For this he only stared at the young girl in boundless amazement, and the man was seeing, the rat trap peddler was seeing towards the girl in unlimited surprise. The next morning the iron master and his daughter got up in a good season to go to the early Christmas service. Service means prayer. The next morning the iron master and his daughter, both of them got up in a good mood, and both of them wanted to go to the church for their Christmas service, Christmas prayer. And their guest was still asleep and they did not disturb him. Okay, the guest was still sleeping and he was not disturbed. He was not disturbed by anyone. When at about 10 o'clock they drove back from the church, when at almost about 10 o'clock, when both of them were returning from the church, the young girl sat and hung her head even more dejectedly. Okay, dejectedly, sorrowfully. Okay, dejectedly, sorrowfully, dejectedly, sorrowfully, or in a depressed manner. Okay, and when at 10 o'clock both of them were returning from the church, okay, the girl was holding her head, okay, with the both hands, and she was in a depressed mood, she was in a elegiac mood, she was in a sorrowful mood. Okay, and at church she had learnt that one of the old crafter of the ironworks had been robbed by a man who went around selling rat traps. At church the girl come to know that a crafter was robbed, a crafter who used to work in Ramsjo Ironworks had been robbed by a man who wanders from one place to another place selling rat traps. Okay, yes, that was a fine fellow you let into the house, said the father. Okay, the father is saying to the daughter, or in other words, you can say rebuking to the daughter, that yes, you have said that he is a good fellow. You have said that he is a good fellow. Okay, I only wonder how many silver spoons are left in the cupboard by this time. Okay, here Iron Master wants to say, by this time the rat trap peddler are the man whom we have given shelter in our house, whom we have called in our house, who is in our house. He will have robbed all the silver spoons from our cupboards. The wagon had hardly stopped at the front step when the Iron Master asked the valet means servant, whether the stranger was still there. Wagon could not, the wagon had hardly stopped at the front steps of the gate. The Iron Master asked from the servant whether the stranger was in the house or not. He added that he had heard at church that the man was a thief, and the Iron Master said forward that had heard he had heard in the church that the man was a thief. The valet answered that the fellow had gone and that he had not taken anything with him at all. And the servant told to the master, to the Iron Master, that the man is already gone. The man had already gone, but he had not taken anything with him. Okay, means to say he had gone from here empty hand. Empty hand he had gone from here. On the contrary, on opposite of it, he had left a little package which Miss Idla Billmanson was to be kind enough to accept as a Christmas present, and he has left a packet, and it was his intention that it will be accepted by Idla Billmanson just like a Christmas present. Or in other words, you can say that the man has left a little package, and he said that this is a Christmas present, Christmas gift from my side to Idla Billmanson. Okay. The young girl opened the package. The package was opened by the young girl, which was so badly done up. Okay, and the package was not perfectly packed. Okay, the containing the things came into view at once. The things which were kept in the package came at once. She gave a little cry of joy. The girl cried out with the happiness, and she found a small rat trap, and there was a small rat trap in the package, and in it lay three wrinkled 10 kroner notes, and in the small rat traps there were three wrinkled 10 kroner notes. But that was not all. Okay, means to say he had not even put all these things, but in the rat trap lay also a letter written in a large jagged character. Jagged means uneven. In Hindi tedhe medhe, uneven. Okay, and he has written a letter, and that letters were in uneven character. Uneven, uneven characters. Okay, uneven characters. What was written in the letter? Honored and noble miss, since you have been so nice me all day long. And he has written in the letter, the rat trap peddler had written these things in the letter: honored and noble miss, you were very good to me all day long, as if I was a captain. Means to say, you have showed your behavior towards me just as I was a captain. I want to be nice to you in return. You were very nice, you were very good to me, and I want also to be very good to you, as if I was a real captain. Okay, and as I am a real captain. Okay, uh, for I do not want to be embarrassed at this Christmas season by a thief. I don't want that you should be troubled by a thief on the Christmas Eve. But you can give back the money to the old man on the roadside. If you like, please return this money to the old man whose house is by the roadside or on the roadside, who has the money pouch hanging on the window frame as a bait for the poor wanderers. And this man means the crafter, ठीक ना, the crafter has the the man has the man has hanged the leather pouch by the frame of the window to attract the wanderers, to attract the passers-by. Okay, and the rat trap is a Christmas present from a rat who have been caught in the world's rat trap, and this rat trap is a Christmas gift from my side, from a rat for you. Okay, and my dear students, maybe you will be thinking that why the writer has written him as a rat, because he was the meanest fellow, he was the worst fellow, meanest fellow, worst fellow. Okay, so he is assuming himself just like a rat. Okay, and he was not having any honor in the society, respect in the society, so he is assuming himself as a rat and saying that this is a Christmas present from a rat who would have been caught in the world's rat trap. If you have not raised me to the level of a captain, I would have been trapped in this world. Okay, if he had not been raised to a captain. Okay, because in that way he got power to clear himself, and in this way you have given me power to clear my all bad habits. Okay, you have given me power to clear my all habits. Written with friendship and high regard, Captain Van Steer. And these are the words which were written by the right track. Now you students, you will be thinking that why he has signed as Captain Van Steer. He has signed as Captain Van Steer because he was given honor just like a captain by the girl. The girl had come to know that he was not the friend of my father, he was not the regimental comrade, but she had not said a single word, and she had given him honor, given him respect, just like a captain, as he was a captain. Okay, so he has signed as Captain Van Steer. So my dear students, we have seen that a good behavior, ठीक ना, good behavior can change the man's life. Your good behavior, if you are showing good behavior to anyone who is bad, then his behavior may be changed. Means to say, he was having goodness, but his bad habits were working. He was having goodness, but his bad habits were working. But we have seen after some time that his bad habits were changed and he has changed himself in a good one. Okay, so at all we can say that essential, every man is having good quality, bad quality, good quality and bad quality. We should see that what kind of behavior is being expressed by him. So my dear students, at all we can say that the essential goodness of human being can be awakened through love, trust and understanding. Okay, that's all, and goodbye and have a nice day. We will discuss about the question answers in our next lecture. Thank you.